Hello friends, I am Dakshal Patel and you are watching Test with Dakshal Patel. Please subscribe my channel by pressing the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications of my video as soon as I upload them. Don't forget to check the description of my video because I give important links over here. Also, you can press I button while watching my videos because I give special content over here. So hello friends, today I am going to talk all about Panasonic Ilyuga phones. So if you are having any of the Panasonic Ilyuga phones, then you must watch this video till end. Today, basically I am going to talk on the topic how to use VoLTE feature in Panasonic Ilyuga phones. So many people have said me that VoLTE feature on Panasonic Ilyuga phones is not working properly. So today I am going to make a detailed video on this. So please watch this video till end, otherwise you will not understand the video. So please watch till end. So friends, if you are having Jio SIM card and you are using it on your Panasonic Ilyuga phone, then it must be working properly. But if you are having any other SIM card rather than Jio SIM card like Airtel, Idea or Vodafone etc., you might be facing problem in using VoLTE feature. That is, VoLTE feature might not be working on your phone. So today I am going to tell you the reason why it is not working and also going to show you what you can do for it. So let's get started. See friends, first of all you need to ensure that whichever SIM card you want to use VoLTE feature, you insert it in SIM card slot 1, right? I want to use Airtel, so I have put Airtel in SIM card slot 1. And then see friends, then another thing that you need to ensure is that you go to about phone, right? I'm showing you again. You go to settings, then in that about phones, and then system update, and then click on check for updates. So see this it says that the current version is the latest version, no new version is there. So you need to ensure that your phone is updated, right? So after that, another thing that you need to do is click on more, then mobile network, to make ensure that your enhanced 4G LTE mode is switched on, right? It should always be switched on. And see friends, normally I select this 4G, 3G or 2G auto because VoLTE feature is not working. So but you know guys, what is the problem with this mode? When it sometimes it automatically turns to 3G or 2G and it is very frustrating at that time. So I want to use it in 4G only mode. But when I do it in 4G only mode, no calls come to my phone, or I am not able to make a call to another phone. Let me show you. I go to call and then call to my mummy, for example. See, the call is automatically ended, guys. So the call is not going and not coming in my phone with this only 4G only mode. So this is happening because VoLTE is not working on your phone. Friends, if VoLTE would have been working, then here along with 4G at the top of the phone, along with 4G, you will be able to see VoLTE, but it is not the case. So today I am going to tell you why it is happening. I am having Airtel SIM card, so I am especially showing about Airtel, but it is same for all other networks also. So I am going to Airtel's official website, that is www.airtel.in. After it is loaded, see guys, here it is all about Airtel VoLTE, clearer, faster and better conversations. So see this, benefits of VoLTE are given. That is, it is very HD voice calls, and then instant call, and then effective multitasking. Okay, so that is it. And now see this, it is everywhere except Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. So see this, they have given some conditions for using VoLTE. Your handset must be VoLTE. So Panasonic phones which are VoLTE, you can use VoLTE on them. Then your Airtel SIM card must be VoLTE. Of course you might be having a 4G SIM card, if not you should get it. Then upgraded OS, so I have already told you that your phone should be upgraded, and then you have to enable VoLTE switch. They have already enabled the enhanced 4G LTE mode. Okay, so then see this, here they have given a list of Samsung compatible handsets. Now you have to check for Panasonic. So I am clicking on this drop down arrow and then I am selecting Panasonic. So see guys, basically the Panasonic phones which are supporting VoLTE feature with Airtel SIM card, yes friends, with Airtel SIM card, are shown here. So only 3 phones, yes friends, only 3 phones of the Panasonic phones, Panasonic Iluga phones, are supporting VoLTE feature with Airtel SIM card. I am not saying that this phone don't have VoLTE. The phones have VoLTE, but they don't support with Airtel. So if you are having any of these 3 phones, then you can use VoLTE on that phone. And if you have any phone other than this phone, like Panasonic Iluga Raymax, Panasonic Iluga i3, Panasonic Iluga i2, etc., then you cannot use VoLTE with Airtel SIM card. So see friends, only these 3 phones, that is P100, Panasonic Ray 700, Panasonic Ray 500, can use VoLTE feature with Airtel SIM card. So this was the reason why VoLTE was not working. Now don't stop the video guys, I am also going to tell you how can you use 4G. How can you use 4G only along with getting calls and making calls. Yes friends, so keep watching till end. So see guys, go to your settings and then click on more, then more settings, and then only 4G. Yes, keep it only 4G. Then go to your call, then open your dial pad and type this code *## 3646 ##* *## 4636 *##. Okay friends, sorry, this is the code *## 4636 ###. I am giving this code in description of the video, so don't forget to check the description of the video. Okay, so after typing this code in your dial pad, you will get this type of interface. Here click on phone information and scroll down till you see set preferred network type. Here it is LTE only, so instead of LTE only, select LTE/GSM Auto PRL. Okay friends, I am repeating, set preferred network type in LTE GSM/PRL Auto PRL. So after doing this setting you can quit this step. So I'm closing this step basically, and then you will get calls and you can make calls along with using 4G. Yes friends, all the time when you use your phone you will be seeing 4G only, but you can make calls, right? But you can make calls. For example, I am calling Dakvoda. That is my number. So So see friends, the call is going. Yes friends, you are able to make a call. But friends, if you have noted that while making call, my network was switched to 3G, that is H+. Yes friends, when you are making calls or receiving calls, your network will automatically be changed to 3G, that is H+. But as soon as you end the call, you will get this 4G. So you can use 4G speed normally, that is all the time. But when you make call, you will be able to use 3G speed. So you have to compromise it because VoLTE is not working on your phone with Airtel. So this was my trick. This was not a solution, but this was a trick to use 4G. Okay friends, so if you are having any other phone, which any of the other phone shown in the list here, that was Panasonic P100, Panasonic P700, Panasonic Ray 500, and then also you are not able to use VoLTE feature, then keep my channel subscribed, because I am going to make a video on how to use VoLTE on this VoLTE compatible phones, these 3 phones, right? So I hope you like this video. And also friends, one more thing, I am going to make a video on very special hidden features of Panasonic Ilyuga phones. So if you are Ilyuga user, please keep my channel subscribed. I hope you like the video. If you have any problem, comment down. Like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.